why MPC works with Georgian College is first and foremost because one of our core values is about helping youth reach their full potential. And we do that by hiring co-op students to help giving them real industry experience and eventually, ideally, giving them long-term jobs. We also sit on advisory boards of Georgian College to help develop the engineering programs and precision skills programs to ensure that those programs match what the industry needs are. Georgian brings to us an expertise in automation, controls, electrical and mechanical build of automation systems. And that value allows us to execute projects we otherwise would not have been able to execute. The other thing that's really important is that it's a transfer of knowledge both ways, from industry to the college, from academia, and back to industry again. And that closes the loop and allows companies to be able to grow while we foster kids into the workforce. One of the business challenges that MPC was faced with was that we had developed this new advanced manufacturing technology in the automotive space using cube technology in order to manufacture complex automotive components and half the cycle time as anybody else in the world. But what we were missing was the automation systems that we needed to put in the inserts, to be able to remove finished products, to inspect them and package them. And that's where we went to Georgian, and they brought in their expertise to help us out. And this new technology that we've collaboratively developed together will help us be more competitive on the global stage. So as we all know, this was actually a collaboration. So instead of me talking all the time, let's involve some of the team. So Amur, you want to explain to people about what exactly we did here?
So we worked together to develop the idea, design a fully automated robotic line, including all the robot, 6-axis robot vision system, programs, PLCs, programmable controllers, to put everything together and make a fully automated system.
So that was the what we did. So Joseph, why don't you tell us a little bit about how we went about it with Georgian College?
We collaborated with the students and faculty at Georgian to design, build, and integrate the system.
Right, excellent. And Sam, what was your role in this whole?
It was to help facilitate the finances and timelines, as well as to help with the collaboration of communication, both during meetings and outside of the building.
Okay, so now we talked about what we did, how we went about doing it, collaborating with the college, how we managed it and pulled the whole thing together. I'd like to hear from Umo now, as a Georgian student, about what you learned about going through this process.
This project has helped me apply critical thinking and solving problems in an industrial setting, and it has helped foster my knowledge and understanding of how to apply things that have been taught in school and in class settings into an industrial setting that would help bolster me in the employment field.
Right, that's amazing, because that's exactly what this is designed to do. So let's hear from the faculty a little bit. Andrew, as a faculty member, tell me a little bit about what doing projects like this means to you.
Well, for me, it's really important. I think this transfer of knowledge that I have, that I've gained through my years of experience on the job to the students, and have them see what real world industry is like and what they can expect to see once they get out on the job. Like, you get to see the transition from as a student that doesn't maybe know quite as much on the job, to seeing them transition into a role where you view them as peers and stuff like that. So it's exciting to be able to see that.